Oh, what's up, y'all? Dominoes 7 here. All right. So, so what I want to talk about, Yep. Switching my room around. Okay, but before I say what I gotta say, okay. All right. I kinda put my bed like this now. It was like that, you know. That'll be temporary right here, Okay, and my laptop is in this room temporary. Okay. All right, y'all. So now what I want to talk about is some females always let these men manipulate them. Okay, manipulate them from their family, from their friends, and stuff like that. Okay, so that's what that was the whole time. You remember? You remember I told you that Alicia had somebody to call my phone. Y'all remember that? Well, I put it to you like this: that guy's a stalker. Yeah. So, I mean, I don't know what's happening though. Better file a restraining order, okay? But anyway, never mind her right now, okay? So what I want to tell y'all, females out there, okay? You ladies out there, I want to tell y'all, stop letting a man manipulate y'all from your family and friends, okay? Okay? But let me tell y'all, if y'all see any red flags, you better you better follow it. Okay, you better take heed on it. Okay, if there's any red flags, you better take heed on it. You understand? That's all I'm saying. Okay, so all I'm saying is don't wait till it's too late. Don't go to jail for them guys. Don't get yourself killed for them guys. You understand? Cause all that is not worth it. You hear me? Mm-hmm. I have a best friend. Thank God she shouldn't let no guy manipulate her. You know? I, I thought that was gonna happen. My best friend, she gonna remain nameless, even though she right close to me. But anyway, she not in here. She elsewhere. So she gonna remain nameless, and her ex boyfriend slash baby daddy gonna be nameless as well. Cause honestly, I really don't want to say that guy name, and I don't want to say where he is, So I'm gonna keep that off my show again until I'm ready to. But to let y'all know something, y'all, Domino is not stupid, y'all. Okay. Cause I mean, I want to tell y'all. Uh, she was totally being mean to me the year before last, and stuff like that, Okay, blocked me on Facebook and stuff like that. Well, she not blocked. She ain't blocked me on Facebook no more. Okay, she unblocked me after Hurricane Ida. Okay, I guess she was concerned in me after what happened with Hurricane Ida. You know, that's probably what happened. She was concerned and stuff like that. And then when she had came home after I came home. Okay, so yeah, though, okay. I didn't meet the guy yet. I ain't meet the guy yet. At the time, but when I met the guy, it was just as I thought. It was extremely just as I thought. Ignorant as hell. When somebody telling you they don't want to be bothered, don't don't talk to them. So I was just feeling as though that this guy was manipulating her to have her to dislike me and stuff. That's what the heck I was thinking, honestly. Okay, and it was just as I thought. And then when she told me she was getting married to him, I'm like, oh no, hell no. I wasn't happy. Everybody else was happy for except for me. You know. Yeah. So I would say I was the only one. And then her friend, she also gonna be nameless. Okay, so she told me don't worry about a such and such, and this that and the other. I can't I can't barely quote her on things. I barely remember what she said. But all she said, this is her life. I said I don't care. And then my other friend, my best friend, I should say, she said she wanted me to be in her wedding. You know, I'm like, I ain't going to a wedding. You hear me? I am not going to a wedding. I said, I said over my dead body. That's what I told her. Mm-mm. You know, and then a couple of days later, she asked me that again. Or was it a week later? She asked me that. She wanted me to come to a wedding. I asked her when it's gonna be. Next year. Well, she said last year. This is 2023. She said in 2022 that there was gonna be in 2023. I guess they called off the wedding. It 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 would have been a Twilight Zone wedding. Cause seeing them together, we in a Twilight Zone. You hear me? Well, we in a Twilight Zone right now. You know, we are definitely in a Twilight Zone right now. So much going on here. You know, so real life done turn into the Twilight Zone. It definitely did turn into the Twilight Zone. Honestly, okay. So so all I'm saying, y'all, you females out there, stop letting a man manipulate you from your family and friends. Cause my mama, this man almost manipulated my mama from our family. And then he was mean as hell. Some kind of preacher he is. What the hell kind of preacher is him? Well, I don't know if he's still alive. If he's still alive, oh well. If he done, oh well. I say I'll be burned in hell. Evil as can be. You're evil. You belong in hell. you know. So yeah, though. Okay. So that's why I tell you females, don't let no man manipulate you. Okay. Don't let a man manipulate you from your family and friends and stuff like that. So some guys are very, very, very manipulative. Okay. Very manipulative. Okay. Just like my oldest brother, I don't care if he's my brother. Don't let nobody manipulate you. Okay, not even my own brother. You hear me? Cause he have ways of manipulating people too. So yeah, y'all. That's the thing. Okay. So they stalk you and all that. I mean, sometimes, these days it's not because way back then. I don't know when or how, but sometimes a stalker will stop, but technically the stalker would do it all over again. So if y'all know what I mean, y'all know what I mean, cause I watch them reality shows, Fatal Attraction, how manipulative them guys is, and I watch For My Man, that also came on TV1. Okay, do y'all watch For My Man and Fatal Attraction and that reality stuff on TV1? I don't know if it come on True TV or BET or BET Plus or whatever. Okay, so yeah, I haven't had cable in a while, because I watch them reality shows like what's on TV1 and all that, but stuff like that used to come on ABC, but I don't know about NBC. Rescue 911 came on CBS. Unsolved Mysteries came on NBC and Lifetime. Hmm. So the host was Robert Stack. May he rest in peace. And and um and I forgot the other one name, Farina, Dennis Farina. Yeah, may he rest in peace too. Yeah, so yeah, y'all, because I watch Unsolved Mysteries that aired on Lifetime and NBC, you know. I also watch Fatal Attraction on TV1 and For My Man also on TV1, you know. Anything else that's on TV1 and and other channels like that, well, I wouldn't say G4, you know, not G4, you know. Okay. So yeah, y'all. Okay. So that's all I'm saying. Try your best not to let no man manipulate you. Okay. Life is too short for all that. You know. You don't need to be around no negativity. You understand? That's all I'm telling you, females. Do not be around negativity. Life is too precious for all that. There are cruel people in this world. That's true. You know. But y'all don't need all that drama. Okay. I'm talking to females in general. Okay. No matter what. Okay. All right. And I want to talk about Lizzie Velasquez. You know, I'm so glad she doing good though. Okay, so far, but but there's still some people that be talking about her, calling her names or whatever. But I'm not gonna say the words though. Okay. All right. So all right. That's all I gotta say. All right. Thank y'all for watching so far. Okay. All right. See y'all later.